Good afternoon. It's the Afternoon Gospel Sing. I'm Mark Hunter, and as you know, we have a series of interviews that we've been doing for the past few weeks with those involved at Robinson Community College, faculty and staff. Today is no different. Going to talk to Christy Locklear, who's the Interim Dean of Continuing Education at Robinson Community College. And without further ado, let's go ahead and say hello to Christy. How are you this afternoon, Christy?
I'm doing great, Mark. It's wonderful to be here.
Well, it's great to have you here. As we begin, could you tell us about the continuing education programs at Robinson Community College?
I would love to. Here at Robinson Community College, we offer short-term training that leads to long-term careers in a variety of fields. We have short-term health courses, and some of those include our pharmacy technician, our psychiatric mental health technician. We have nurse aide 1 and 2. We offer phlebotomy courses, community health worker. We also have dialysis technician courses, medical assisting. We have EKG cardiovascular technician courses, and we also have Blue Cross Blue Shield Pre-Licensure Insurance Academy. We also have a variety of other health-related occupations that students can take a class for a few months. They can earn a credential, and then they can enter the workforce. We have service trades such as barbering. We have aesthetics. We offer massage therapy courses and manicurist courses. These courses teach students a trade, which will help them enter the profession that they've chosen for themselves. We're happy to say we now have our CDL Truck Driver Academy courses. This program is in very high demand, and we have been moving forward, and our classes have been full. We have so many students that come through this program and go directly into the workforce driving trucks.
Now, I understand you're expanding to Maxton, North Carolina. Could you tell us about the expansion, please?
We are. We just recently started offering classes in Maxton to help broaden our reach, increase access to education across Robinson County for those that are able to be here to main campus. Our next set of classes in Maxton will begin in September, and they include basic electrical systems and adult high school diploma. We will be having information sessions. Those will be held on Tuesday, August 22nd from 4:30 to 6:30 for basic electrical systems, and Wednesday, September the 6th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. we will hold an information session for adult high school.
Very good. I'm talking with Christy Locklear, the Interim Dean of Continuing Education at Robinson Community College this afternoon. And I'm curious, Christy, why would someone take short-term training instead of a degree?
That is a great question, Mark. Both paths provide great opportunities, and we do love for our continuing education students to transition over to a degree program if that is right for them. However, with short-term training, if you are looking to gain employment or increase your salary and move up into a higher position, then taking just one class can help you move in that direction. Maybe you have a family and you can't devote the time that it takes to earning a degree. Short-term training is the solution. It will get you job ready, and it'll get you into the workforce with the skills you need to be successful. Sometimes people don't know what they want to do, so short-term training can provide them with exposure and experience to different elements of various careers without investing a great deal of time or money into it. Maybe someone just wants to take a class for fun, as well for personal enrichment and professional development. We also offer those courses as well. Our continuing education programs are very affordable. They help you build stackable credentials, so whatever your reason for taking a class, we would love to help them and work with them.
Are there any new continuing education classes coming this fall to RCC?
There are. We are very excited. We're rolling out several new classes that will run parallel to our curriculum classes. This meaning a student can take one of these short-term classes. They can, I like to say, get their feet wet, you might say. They can see if it's the path or career that they're interested in. And when they're ready, these courses actually, the course credits will transfer over towards them working towards their degree. We have the parallel classes that are going to begin we have HVAC, we have electrical, welding, Mechatronics, and we also are going to have a night cosmetology program running. These programs are going to offer the same training that you would receive in the curriculum program.
I'm talking with Christy Locklear this afternoon, Interim Dean of Continuing Education at Robinson Community College. And Christy, I understand that Robinson Community College has community health worker students that are chosen as ambassadors for the North Carolina Association. Could you explain that and tell us a little bit about it?
Yes, we are so proud of our community health worker students. This is a great program. It's in high demand, not only for individuals interested in serving their community, but those that are already working as community health workers and are seeking state certification to go along with the job they're already doing. We did have 4 students who trained at Robinson Community College, earned their credentials as a community health worker, and then they were chosen to serve as ambassadors for the North Carolina Association. Only 6 community health workers were chosen across the state to lead in this capacity, and 4 of those were Robinson Community College students. It was an honor, to say the least, and really speaks about the quality of education that we provide and also what you can do with credentials you earn through short-term training at Robinson Community College. These individuals were already working in the health field, and earning their additional credential allowed them the amazing opportunity to serve the state of North Carolina.
If someone is interested in registering for a continuing education class, how do they get started with that?
Anyone interested in finding out more information on any of these classes can go to the Robinson Community College website at robinson.edu, and they can click on Continuing Education near the top of the page, or feel free to contact me personally. I can be reached at 910-272-3609. I would be happy to help.
I've been talking with Christy Locklear, the Interim Dean of Continuing Education at Robinson Community College. And as we wrap things up, Christy, is there anything else you'd like to say this afternoon?
I would just like to say that being able to take these short-term courses through continuing education is a wonderful opportunity for anybody that is looking to get directly into the workforce, or maybe someone who wants to get their degree. They may be working on their degree, but perhaps they would like to get that certificate so that they can work in the workforce part-time while they're working on their degree. We do offer scholarships that come through periodically. The foundation helps us in many ways for anyone who has a financial need, and if you would just reach out, we would be happy to work with you and see what there is to offer so that we can get you in these courses right away. And
again, that number in case anybody is interested?
Yes, they can contact me anytime. My number is 910-272-3609.
Thank you so much, Christy. I've been talking with Christy Locklear, Interim Dean of Continuing Education at Robinson Community College, and I hope you have a great afternoon.
Thank you so much. It's been my pleasure.